So, how do we fight this invisible battle? Here are three powerful faith based strategies to overcome the spiritual warfare of doubt. The first one is to replace every lie with truth. When your mind says you can't, tell your mind that you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Philippians 4:13. Number two is to renew your mind. Romans 12, verse 2 says, be transformed by the renewing of your mind. Transformation is a constant thing. And how do you do that? You have to spend time with God's word until the truth of that word overshadows every single lie. And the third one for me is the most powerful one. Remember your identity. Even Jesus in Matthew 4, verse 3 was tempted when Satan says, if you're truly the Son of God. It begins with identity, and so is self-doubt.